What's going on YouTube? This is week 2 of the Dogwood Photography Challenge, and it's all about landscape photography. Now, instead of doing landscape photography with a normal camera, I'm going to be using a drone. As you can see, I am on a levee, and that right over there is the Mississippi River, and it's sunset, even though you can't really tell. It's sunset, as you can see. So I'm gonna fire the drone up and see what we can get. All right, let's see. All right, I am currently in the air, just looking around for anything that might look cool. Can't really see the sunset, so I'm going to lower the exposure. Let's see if it pops out. Yep. So it looks like we're gonna be taking some HDR pictures, so we can get the sky and everything else like we want it. I think that's pretty cool that you can see the other side of the river. All right, I like this shot right here, but we're gonna have to do multiple exposures to get it how I really like it. All right, so basically I'm gonna capture it 2 pictures at -2. I'm going to capture 2 pictures at about -1. I'm going to take 2 pictures right in the middle. I'm going to take 2 pictures at +1. I'm going to take 2 pictures at +2. So that's pretty much it for that. I'm going to take these pictures back to the computer and let's see what we got. The reason why we took 2 of each shot is because when taking pictures from a drone, it's not like the camera is locked in the tripod. Any movement that happens when snapping a picture can cause a blurry image, so I always snap more than one just to be safe. So let's look at the 5 pictures we took. Each picture is snapped at a different exposure so that when they all merge together, each picture contributes something. The darker pictures allow for the sky details to show through, and the brighter pictures make sure I have details in the shadow areas to work with. Now once they all merge together, this is what you get. Now this might not look too special, but there's a lot more there than what you see. I have full control of the highlight areas and shadow areas because it's 5 pictures in one. That lets me push and pull things without losing any quality or introducing any noise. The final picture now looks like this. I can see all the clouds in the sky as well as all the details in the shadows between the trees and along the water. Well, landscape photography is all about being patient and waiting for the right time of day and the right conditions to capture the scene the way you want to. I shot this a few days later than I planned because of the bad weather here, and even in this image you can still kind of see a big rain cloud on the left side, but this is the only break in the weather that I would get for a while, so I went with it. If you have the time to do it right, use it. I should also be uploading week 3 challenge this week, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. If you missed week 1's challenge, which was the selfie challenge, now make sure to link that at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.